What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I have a product in front of me, and I want to shout out Will H Reviews because he actually sent this over for me, and we're gonna unbox it and test it out. So pretty much this is what you get. It has that saying that it is magnet. You get 360 view. On the back, it just shows you how to use it, and I'll put a link to where you can buy this product off of Amazon in the description. So first, we're just going to unbox this product real quick without me ripping open without me messing up the box. Let's see here. This is gonna be cool to have because I don't always want to rock a case on my iPad, so this will be cool to have. And then I could just stand it up on my desk. So pretty much this is what you get right here. This is the look of the stand. It feels good, and it feels good in my hand. Has a little weight to it. Not too heavy, but not too light, as you can see here. This is what it looks like. It's kind of stiff to pull it out, but you want that so when you put your iPad on here, it won't go anywhere. So it pretty much stands up like this. Then you want to grab your iPad and just stick your iPad here, just like that. And we have a nice little stand for your iPad, so you can have it in this kind of view here. I'll probably throw some pictures in of different views in the video, but you can have it in this view here, and it'll just sit on top of your desk. And this will be really good if you have a keypad, because then you're able to just use the keypad and just type on this. But this is nice. It can go up like this. It's 360 degrees or back this way. This is really cool. I've been wanting something, been needing something like this for the longest. The magnet is strong. It's only moving because I am messing with it, but it does look and feel nice. So you can use it in this mode with the keyboard and just type something up. You can go pull up some YouTube videos and watch YouTube, and this will look good overall. Sitting on your desktop overall, this will just look amazing. And like I said, I will drop some different angles in the video, so rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.